So apparently I am a meat parrot tree. I have Mr. Bender here, who's taken to preening again because he has met his friend, Echo. Hi. So they both came to me and they've decided that they want to preen on me instead of on their cage. But you know, who could blame them, huh? I know they gotta get all pretty. Bender here has started taking better care of his feathers now that I've gotten a buddy. So he would normally be preening his feathers, but he has started to again, so I'm very happy about that. And I owe it to Mr. Echo. Who has been a pretty good help for Bender, and I appreciate that. Of course, the dogs here don't really care either. They're just chilling out with their daddy, so everyone's out chilling out with their daddy. I thought I'd share this moment with you since it seems to be a little tender. What do you think? Maybe he'll get his feathers back. But if he doesn't, that's fine. I don't mind. But hopefully his stress is reduced a lot. He's had a lot of good stuff happening with him, so he's not as neurotic as before. Yeah. Let's see. And so we'll see how this works out. And they're both shedding feathers. Have a good one.